Special thanks to the Green Cell Greener Sunshine Camp. Hello everyone, what is up, and welcome back to AwesomeAN. I know I haven't been able to make as much as videos, but I've been really concentrating on COVID and how to do stuff with it, and how to do work with COVID online, and I've been getting used to it. So now I'm back with a video, so there's nothing to worry about. Today's video is going to be about solar ovens, so let's get right into that. Alright guys, so here I am, and this is the PDF which I'm viewing. So the supplies we'd be needing is a cardboard box with one flap. As an example is a pizza box. You could also use a shoe box, but shipping boxes are not recommended because they have 4 flaps. So yeah. And then you'd be needing aluminum foil, a plastic wrap, black paper, a Sharpie, ruler, a pair of scissors, a knife, and a hot glue gun. So first you want to draw an outline on the lid of the box 3 centimeters away from the edge with a Sharpie and a ruler. You cut on the line that you outlined to create a flap in the lid. Glue aluminum to the bottom of that flappy thing, and then you glue a plastic wrap on top of the solar oven and on the bottom to make sure that they are the right or are airtight sealed. This is to trap as much as heat possible. Glue aluminum foil to the bottom of the inside and glue at least 3 sheets of black paper on top of the aluminum foil because black paper absorbs more heat. Finally, place your oven in a spot with lots of sunlight and be sure to check on your food every 20 minutes. Now, you can enjoy reheating food by using the power of the sun. Now, as you can see, this is just a PDF, but I've actually made my own and I'm going to show you guys. Alright guys, so this is my solar oven. So what I've done here is a strategy. If you have a laser, you could point it from up here or wherever the sun is and make sure it's reflecting back into the oven. And if you don't have that, you can test it by holding the thing over there, the flappy thing, and make sure. And the more you bend it forward, or the less you do, you'll find out that you'll find the brightest spot, meaning it'll make the oven look very bright, and that's what you want. So in here I have some bread pizza, which the crust is bread and everything else is, I'm letting this heat up. It's actually been heating up for around 25 minutes now, and as you can see, the cheese is nicely melted. And that's what we want. So that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.